Hi guys! I am back after a much needed break. So, I hope you're all doing fine. So, I've been thinking of getting a planner, but I've never used a planner before. I'm not sure whether I will like it or not. So, rather than getting a planner, I'm going to make my own one from scratch using a notebook. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made my planner. I hope that this video will be helpful, especially if you are new to planning like me, or you like the idea of planning but you're not sure whether to get a planner yet, or you are on a budget. So instead of getting a ready-made planner, you try to embrace the idea of transforming your existing notebook into your very own authentic planner. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm just drawing some lines to make some rows and columns so that I can make little boxes for my week. So I am done with that. Now to decorate my planner, I got a wrapping paper and some colored papers. Before I get started on decorating, I want to let you know that I have chosen the makeup theme for this week. By the way, I don't really have many stickers at home, so I'm just going to use some pictures that I cut out from one of my magazines. I did get a bunch of pictures of makeup items that I think will suit my theme. Now I'm just arranging the paper cutouts and pictures just to see where am I going to place them. I'm just putting them out randomly to see which is the best suited position. And let's see. Oh yeah, I'm also using some sticky notes because I have so many of them at home and I don't know what to do with them. So I'm going to just use some of them for my planner. I'm happy with the position of my cutouts and pictures and the little pieces of the wrapping paper. So I'm going to go ahead and paste them using my glue stick. I'm done pasting everything, and if you take a closer look, you can actually see that I've added some extras for the month, and also to include a little quote or a word that I think will inspire me to be creative. Now, the layout of my planner is dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with my to-do list and also a few extra things that I've planned, but I don't know when exactly I'm gonna do it. So I will list those things at the bottom. And I am done with my planner. I hope that you enjoyed this video and hopefully that you do find it helpful. I'll be really happy if you do. So if you have any feedback, please comment down below, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.